Good morning and namaskar. I am Vijay Mohan back with you with a very good company. Fine Organics Limited. It has been performing very well in the last 3-4 quarters. Ramesh Maganlal Shah and Prakash Damodar Kamath. These were the founders of Fine Organic Industries in early 1970 in Mumbai. So from there it has become bigger and bigger and bigger, and it is becoming still bigger and bigger. Now, in a rating given by its own employees to Ambition Box, Fine Organic Industries was rated 4.3 out of 5. So, now who are the Chief Executive Officer? Mr. Prakash Damodar Kamath is the Chairman and Executive Officer. Mr. Mukesh Maganlal Shah is the Managing Director. Tushar Ramesh Shah is the Executive Director and CFO. The company manufactures what are known as green additives from oleochemicals, chemicals which are derived from vegetables only, vegetable oils. And they are used as additives in many things, like food, in plastic, cosmetics, paints, many other industries. Fine Organics is the largest manufacturer of oleochemical based additives in India and a strong player globally. Its direct customers are multinational companies, regional companies and local companies of manufacturing consumer products such as Hindustan Lever, Parle products, petrochemical companies and polymer producers globally also. Now let us take a look at the latest results. Net sales are 747.7 crores in Q1. Previous quarter 616.9 crores, that is Q4 of last year. Now Q1 of last year is 357.6 crores. 747.7 latest, previous is 616.9, and last year same quarter is 357.6. So year on year growth is 109.1. See, sales growth 109.1 is really very, very good. Do you agree? I have not come across many companies which are giving this good. There are, of course, a few other companies also, but Fine Organics is a shining example of that. And even quarter on quarter it is 21.22. I am not going to go through the other small expenses, etc., etc., but all of them to put together are reflected in net profit. Net profit is 160 crores, 160 crores. Previous quarter 122.2 crores. Previous quarter 122.2, current quarter 160. Now the year ago quarter, Q1 of last year, 36.47. 36.47. So the net profit has grown 338.8%. Look at that. Sales has grown above 100%. Net profit has grown above 300%. Isn't it fantastic? And quarter on quarter also, net profit has grown 31%. So equity is 15.33, unchanged during the last 5 quarters. Basic EPS has grown fantastically, 52.12 compared to last year Q1 11.72. Market price is around 6,520. Price earning is 31. Usually, 31 is neither too high nor too low, but for a great performer like Fine Organics, 31 is still low. Volume is 1,48,000, which means you can buy and sell easily on Fine Organics. So the performance during the last quarter is good. The performance during the last before quarter also is very, very good. Then also sales had improved by 91%. Now, if Fine Organics is able to increase its sales like 91%, 100%, etc., every quarter, I won't be surprised if it finds a wonderful place at the top. So the day range is around say 6,500. 52-week low is 2,734. 52-week high is 6,844. It is very near to 52-week high. In fact, it had gone up almost up to that level on the day of on the day next to the results. Volumes are good. That means you can buy and sell the Fine Organic scrip very easily. Now, what are its strengths? The trailing 12 months EPS growth is very good. In the last 12 months, EPS growth has been very good. Petrovsky score is also very good. Very good return on equity. EPS growth is good, and ROE growth is very good. Strong annual EPS growth, not just this latest quarter. Quarter on quarter EPS growth also is fantastic. Annual EPS growth is fantastic. Likewise, profit margins are also fantastic. Year on year, quarter on quarter, both. Company with very low debt. Revenue has been increasing every quarter for the past 4 quarters. That is fantastic. See, it's not just this quarter and last quarter that are excellent. Last 4 quarters. Now imagine if the next 4 quarters are good, so how it will be? Increasing profits every quarter. Increasing book value per share. Zero promoter pledge. Promoters had no need to take money from banks. So the latest quarter results are very good for operating profit, profit margin, etc. also. Stock has gained very good share in the last 1 month, almost about 20%, something like that. Company with rising net profit margins. Margins are also rising. Net profits are rising. Sales are rising. Net profit margins are also rising. Operating profit margins are also rising. What more do you want? So, what are the weaknesses? Now, the mutual funds did not expect this sort of result. Probably, I don't know. Because after 3 quarters, they thought probably this quarter it may fumble. No. But mutual funds decreased their shareholding during the last quarter a little. Declining net cash flow. Net cash flow is somewhat coming down. So what I suspect is the company is expanding also. So future profits also it is taking care of. So declining net cash flows are indicative of that. Now some brokers have upgraded the recommendation on target price for the past 3 months. Highest recovery from 52-week low. But the only negative point is price earning is high. Price earning is high with reference to other companies, but not with reference to Fine Organics itself. Its performance has been simply very good. Can it be better? I don't know. It may become better also next quarter. Let us wait and see. Price movement also. See, in some cases the performance is good, But price performance is bad. Price is not moving up, sluggish. In some cases, after wonderful results, it is falling. But in the case of fine organics, it has gone up very well. Of course, first day it went up almost 1000%. Next 2 days it has come down slightly, 200%, something like that. But so net result is 600% plus. Revenue growth, net profit growth, operating profit growth, etc. Are all very good compared to industries in the same industry. That is firms in the same industry. Its performance is very good. It stands at a higher level in the same industry. Profit growth is there, revenue growth is there, operating profit margins are there, everywhere. Promoters holding, they have never diluted their holding, 75%. Impressive, right? Mutual funds have slightly decreased. I told you, after 3 weeks, 3 quarters, they might have become sluggish. They didn't expect that fine organics will produce another quarter, brilliant quarter. So it's okay. Mutual funds, okay. Number of schemes are okay, but total holdings has come down slightly. Money Control has given it 88% pass. Money Control Essentials has given 88% pass, and technically it is in a very bullish range. I think in the days to come, the downslide of the last 2 days may stop, and again it may go up. It's a strong performer. An established and reputed international player of oleochemical based additives rooted in India. Leading producer of wide range of additives for foods. So there are so many such positive points for fine organics. Overall, it produces about 470 plus products, and it has got direct customers 850 plus, distributors 180 plus, 1 lakh plus tons per annum of in-house capability for product development, process technology and engineering and R&D. 75 countries plus exports. Company has very low debt, almost debt free. So how will be the next quarter? After 4 quarters, very good quarters, how will be the 5th quarter? I remember some other companies, they performed well for 2 years, 3 years. Laurus Labs performed well for more than 2 years, then it fell. This company only 4 quarters good so far, so I expect another 4 quarters of excellent performance. The demand is good, wide range of users are there, so therefore it may perform very well. Good return on equity, 26.2%. Return on equity is very good. Dividend payout is very healthy, 17.2%. Price is the only thing. Price is slightly higher, but that is how it will be after 4 brilliant quarters. The other company which is in the industry, which is not producing this but similar products, is Deepak Nitrite. That is also doing well. Fine Organics and Deepak. Fine Organics is better than Deepak Nitrite. So previous years, if you compare last 5 years, sales have gone up from 358 crores to 438 crores to 463 crores to 617 crores to 748 crores. Not a single year of downgradation in sales. All 5 years it has performed very well. Operating profit likewise, it has gone from 51 crores to 73 crores to 80 crores to 159 crores to 214 crores. 51 crores to 4 times of that in 5 years. Net profit also from 36 crores to 160 crores. Likewise, EPS has grown from 11.7 to 52.12. 5 times. Borrowings, as we said, not much. For 5 years before it was 54, now it is 59. So there is nothing much. Fine Organics has a lot of plus points, very few minus points. And we do want it to perform well in the quarters to come. That's why. Am I recommending it for buying? I never recommend anything for buying. I place before you all the plus points and minus points, and then I leave it to your judgment. But price is high, no doubt. That is a deterrent point. I have something like 400 shares, but the price is a deterrent. Thank you for listening to me. I will be back with you with another very good share. Thank you.